All right, just got through playing horrible 9 holes, but we had a good time. We're gonna play another 9, but this time we're gonna do a scramble. So hopefully we can find our golf balls. So we know it's in that hole down there, and you hit it good. That's right. Whoa, shit. All right, put it in.
Oh my god.
You got it.
That was almost down.
Look at the hang of these greens. Well, not too bad, but not great.
Shake her.
Ball. It's gonna go through the fairway again. No, that's good. That's a good ball. You might have outdrugged me.
Yeah. I think it's right in front.
Well, it's a little better. It's better than going way over there. I kind of felt bad on that one. Anyway, set up wise. That's better than mine. Tried to spin. Tried to do spin. See, that's at 9. And does it feel heavy? Well, it's of course a regular flex, but 65 degree. Yeah, it's warm. Ooh. Maybe not as high. But you hit it.
Side. Well, crap.
You're trying to follow me, but not as far. Right? I'm actually decent. All right. You went way too far back.
Oh my god.
Well, that would have been too far.
Ooh, to the right, to the right.
Oh, flirting with the trees. You just barely missed that. You hit one, I think. Yeah, it dropped at the, like the second to last shadow.
Yep. You're where I was last time. I think.
There you go. Good ball. Move left. Left. Not you. I mean, not the ball, but you. You're on the green. That's okay.
I don't know.
On the green. Of the green. Boy. Howdy.
Pretty good, pretty good. Robbie Hamlin from Marshmallow, Texas. I forgot. Somewhere over there.
Middle bit. Little baby draw. Works. Probably better than mine. Mine may be further, but. Oh, hit the tree, hit the tree. Oops. That's alright. Talk about embarrassing.
Oh, maybe a little too much go.
Right over. It's short. It's alright, you hit it good. Oh, that's alright. It's good for bogey.
Like combine our putt. Like my speed and then your aim.
Exactly. Oh, man, that was a good drive.
So I think we're gonna re-tee right here. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Good roll, good roll.
Good. Oh, dang it. That was a good hit too, so you did it twice.
I should have brought a pitching wedge. Whoa. An 8. I'll just not hit it as hard.
Yeah, that's good. Get up there, ball. Get up there. Right on the edge.
I thought you were hitting me the ball, and then whenever I went for the fist bump, you were hitting the ball.
Oh, bye. See you later.
I don't know. I was gonna go straight. But low. No, I was gonna go this way. Okay. Woo! Oh, she went up in there.
Yeah, it's worth a shot.
Hit the tree.
Still went left. Yeah, we'd have had to move, but you hit it better than I did.
Yeah.
Oh. I hit it out of the heel.
Whoa. Almost died. that.
Burn.
Dang.
I'm trying to draw that in. You see, I took the less club this time. It's because I went too long the first time. But I didn't get a good hit on it. You didn't either. That's okay. That's one we found out here. Look at there. Oh, that was a good putt. Oh, that was so good. It went right over the edge. Well, can you see that? Whoa. Well, what do you think? Was all right?
It was
You had fun? We had fun. We didn't play that great. She hadn't played in 3 years, so pretty good for not playing for 3 years. Hit the driver pretty well most of the time. So anyway.
And I got some sun.
And you got some sun. All right. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.